Okay, so now that we know what flammability is, let's move on to reactivity. This is number 3 in your notebook. And reactivity really just is talking about how easily a substance reacts with another substance, right? When you put two things together, does anything happen? If nothing happens, it's not reactive. It's not a reactive element or type of matter. But if you do get a reaction, like bubbles or fizzing, an explosion, a color change, that means your matter is reactive. Okay, so make sure you've got your definition of reactivity and also write down some of the evidence, right? Bubbles, explosion, color change, these are all evidence of reaction. So if you look over here, if we were to put zinc in water, zinc's a type of metal, put it in water, a little bit of a reaction, some bubbles. Put magnesium in water, we're going to get a lot of bubbles. But if you put potassium in water, you're going to get an explosion. Okay, so make sure you've got that in your notes. Pause this video, make sure you've got the definition of reactivity in your notes, some evidence. Hold off on the picture because this video might give you some ideas. Okay, so let's check this out. Okay, so what's going to happen in this video is they're going to put a variety of metals into water and see what happens. What metals are reactive? So as we go forward, these reactions are going to get more and more intense. So lithium, put some lithium in some water. I see bubbles, I see fire even, so pretty reactive. That's a big reaction. Sodium, this is the same stuff that's in your table salt. Let's put that in some water, see what happens. I see a reaction, definitely reactive, and more fire. So sodium's pretty reactive, especially with water. Still going. Oh, an explosion. Wow. See that in slow motion. Happened so fast that even the slow motion did not help. Oh, here we go. Wow, you can see just how reactive that is, right? One drop of water and it explodes. What if we put a huge chunk of it in the water? I see some smoke. That's a sign of a reaction. Some fire. Oh, cool. Wow, it's a big reaction there. Oh my gosh. Potassium. Oh man, he ran away pretty quick because he knew that potassium was reactive. Rubidium, an element I have not heard of. Whoop. Pretty reactive there. Smoke, bubbles, fire. Big chunk of rubidium in water? This can't be good. Yeah. Blew a hole right in that bathtub. Cesium. Oh my gosh. Very reactive element. How about a lot of it? Uh-oh. I'm gonna blow a hole in this whole bathtub. Yeah, pretty reactive element. Okay, so as you can see, certain types of matter are very reactive, right? You drop them in some water and you're gonna get bubbles, smoke, fire, explosion. Okay, so before you move on to the next video, which is gonna be about radioactivity, make sure you've got your definition and some evidence in there, and go ahead and draw a picture in that box. What does reactivity look like to you?